Have you ever pondered on the process of learning React? The world of web development can be a labyrinth of languages and libraries, but fear not, because we're here to simplify the process of mastering React. React is a JavaScript library, renowned for its efficiency and flexibility. It's used by giants of the tech industry such as Facebook and Instagram, so becoming proficient in React is highly beneficial for any aspiring web developer. But how does one go about this? The first step is to ensure that you have a solid understanding of JavaScript. React is, after all, a JavaScript library, so it's crucial to have a strong grasp on JavaScript fundamentals before diving into React. From variables and data types to loops and functions, JavaScript is the foundation upon which your React knowledge will be built. Once you've got JavaScript down, it's time to dive into the React ecosystem. Start with the basics, understanding the why before the how. Why was React created? What problems does it solve? This will give you a better understanding of React's purpose and the reasons behind its design philosophy. Next, familiarize yourself with JSX. JSX, or JavaScript XML, is a syntax extension for JavaScript. It's used with React to describe what the UI should look like. JSX might seem strange at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes a powerful tool in your React arsenal. After you've got a handle on JSX, it's time to learn about components. Components are the building blocks of any React application. They're reusable and can be nested inside other components, making them a powerful and flexible tool in React. State and props are next on the list. State is a data structure that starts with a default value when a component mounts and then gets updated over time, usually as a result of user events. Props, on the other hand, are variables passed to a component from its parent component. Once you've mastered state and props, it's time to learn about React's lifecycle methods. These are special methods that automatically get called as your component gets rendered and updated. Finally, you'll want to learn about hooks. Introduced in React 16.8, hooks are functions that let you hook into React state and lifecycle features from function components. To summarize, the journey to mastering React involves a series of steps, starting with a firm grasp of JavaScript, understanding why React was created, learning JSX, getting comfortable with components, mastering state and props, learning about lifecycle methods, and finally, understanding hooks. Remember, learning React is not a sprint but a marathon. Take your time, practice regularly, and don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. With determination and patience, the labyrinth of React will become a walk in the park. Happy coding!